Go tell the legion, stop watch my life. Pagan, stop stalk my wife, my kids don't need your foolish advice. Go tell the legion, stop watch my life. Pagan, stop stalk my wife, my kids don't need your foolish advice.
You think it's fair to have your vibrator plug in here? Over 2 days now charge. You know how much kilowatt of electricity that is one vibrator you charge 48 hours.
Yeah, what kind of vibrating argument that I go on Panjaret? I want go on.
That sound like the bingy woman.
I want go on the poverty lane, judgment judge.
But we toast them vibration they strong over the bingy yard. What kind of argument that I have?
You know, don't see I want go on.
Me if you see, me a ballad and me now I say that.
Judgment
I want go on.
I want to you, Mr. Sir.
You can't go on, you know, me know warm to me. The whole holiday pass I me no see you. But me I say a pork season and Rasta not eat pork. But me no know wanna go on with behind closed door. Here we go on over bingy yard.
I want to you, Mr. Sir. Fire upon your argument, you know, Mr. Sir. What do you?
Mine, you know.
The true you see a man have one relax, you feel like him a Rasta.
Yeah.
Them boy they are dready.
Yeah.
You say we are name brand Rasta. What do them? Name brand Kush.
Cool no man house. Where you said the boy the red, gold and green. Wash out.
You overs.
Some know you're the real Rasta boss.
Kerosene, what on, girl?
My day ain't no good as Mrs. Miss, under the weather still.
But we're under the weather, go. You have to go over the clothes with ear that mix up here, you know. I don't know who the one Mr. Sir him a try prove, you know. Boy flying girl, and girl I come talk about she a foreigner.
But what you're not saying?
Girl all find her way up and try make it heights. Yes.
Oh, what you say to
you not hear me I say to you, girl?
I hear what you say, but I know you not say what me you want to hear. You not beat the girl.
No, you no kerosene. Me start be professional. Girl, I'll put on her professional face. Joshua be a sign and get her confused.
But no, you're confused, my girl.
Girl, you move slow like a clock with one battery. They did tell her, say, my brother, and boy walk this here, you need to get in thing.
How you do that for, girl?
So what me for do? Who you think I got be the management for the money?
Right, good girl, you turn management. So what should I know?
Me tell girls say in a medicine she they are stress over man and free money they are foreign around.
What?
You not hear about the stimulus check something what them a talk about?
Yeah?
Well, me tell her I go collect it, you know, and make me see it first. Cause you see right now, he's a termite.
Well, and make me hear what Franco say. Franco, what you say?
What go on, Mr. Sir? One girl just called me your own number, you know. I wonder if I forget you know one.
That a one thing I always show you, you know, Franco. So when that's your old things, it bring new things. She sound proper.
Yeah, man. She sound proper, my boss.
Yeah, that me I talk about. Girl, all contact and my location. Make me say she can send a thing right away. Good news, this in the house. You never know who will track you down. That's why you need to get a phone.
Sound good, yeah, but
I know that alone. Him say she sound good, I want to.
them girl ever sound good, never look good, you know.
Rasta, what you do? You use them for idle, you know. Come out of people business, man. Turn up the levels on the TV and make you hear some chatting from that.
Bang.
Up move is never done move. From a hear the voice, you know it's no other than Fame Edgers. Big up all progressive you from over poverty lane. And you see the one that we catch up round and no ambitious corner. I open over so the year just start. And I open no decide for recycle no buckery. Yo, we not have to try to be an example like Mr. Sir or even better. You know see the man left from round a poverty lane when they are prima squatters. Know him one piece of property round and try and make it heights. Big man thing right now we have to just try to deal with things like a sexy girl out the road and attack it. No joke about that. Up move, you're trying to make it be a dumb one.
Hey, great. What's up? I hope you're not out looking at those girls with your artificial body, you know.
Hold on.
Make sure.
I'm to mama, man. I tell you what you know, say dark shades mode. Them young as I feel look for me.
Better for me, you know, dog. Them old foot, they're not going away, you know, man.
Wow. Come like your brain up on the wrong channel, you know. Them young as ya. They want to put them foot everywhere. And I want to put them hand in and nothing but some acrylic.
That you say?
So now watch nothing, you know. I'm active-ish partial there. I put that one place. You see me?
You alright with your old foot, them in a crate. I look like any king star time you want to keep. Yo, I look as special, you want to say, you know. I look all like cats in my age group too, you know.
See it? That's why you need a big woman in your life, you know. You would have drink some carrot juice. 365 days in the year. And a beer special in a drink. And I know I can't say nothing special about it.
What?
No need for go.
So what you try to say?
What you mean to me I say? At the same place, you know, go boom up like the black buckle.
Yo, right now, better you go on, you know.
Yeah, alright.
Right now, I've seen a citizen meeting and I keep right, I say, you know.
On the platform, I do it.
Hold on there. Come like a the foreign linky this. Talk to me.
Hey, puppy.
But I should just say. Cool no baby. Why you say you want me for pop it already? So you good.
You're crazy.
I miss a sir, my name, you know. That I'm a game. So you go on with.
Man, I'm just sitting here catching up on the news, man. America is
news.
It's wild now.
Yeah, baby, them place the mash up on the solid ground. You're for there right now. Stand up beside me.
Yeah, you're right. That's my plan.
Here what go on, baby. Them say when you plant gather wipe. So here what you gotta do.
What? Tell me.
By the way, your son rich. You have money.
Money? Excuse me?
Yeah, I love the attitude there. Come like your money, full of confidence. But by the way, you're a citizen or a resident. Because I can't take the local foreigner them, you know.
Man, I'm a U.S. citizen. Come on, man. Born and raised, okay?
Yeah, big things. I love that. That means from you have your passport, you're one flight away and a one taxi. Done there you have to pick you up. Franco, give you the location. Find me. I not even ask her name. But a slow people argument that after I not introduce myself. She for know for her name for come through the airport. Right now, pretty with her government mount, I can't go make she mash up the party and I forgot make she know which part she stand. Yeah,
Yeah, right.
Pretty, I catch you. Why you hide the phone for? I would that. I don't want no man to call your phone, you know.
You have nothing to do?
Well, the sad news, I want to come for though.
What are you going to do?
Right now, you're looking to go pause, put you on a small suspension.
Oh, you're going to put on suspension? Me?
Yeah.
For what?
Have a one foreigner cat here fly down.
Foreigner fly down? Wow.
So you know we play time I forgot pause.
Which foreigner I go pause?
Yeah, at foreigner too.
So what you don't say the person hot?
Because our voice hot, make me sweat.
Yeah, the Dr. John Crow. You notice that I don't have on my finger. I am free and single, darling. Just I don't want nobody in my life.
Yes, cause right now we can't go really roll as a couple. So when you see me and her, just have manners.
Okay.
Out of bad taxi service. Can I help you?
Tell Bim to link me up on the platform right now.
But Mr. Sir, I want to go on. First, you make me come to the airport, you know.
So I need my car in a bin. So when I go somewhere for the first, nobody not for no.
Oh yeah, the fly out, Bim?
No, woman are flying. But you can't tell Mrs. Smith this, you know. Come like a dep on time to see her, yeah.
So you know say she that, Bim?
Send her one picture for identification. I want you.
But wait, Mr. Sir, she look white. Like when you turn on flashlight at daytime.
Bim, I want you, man, a high grade brownie. Watch the style, yeah. Baby. See that? She gave up all powers already.
Wow.
Jano, baby, you don't look like a fly, you fly. You look like a swim, you swim because you look fresh.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm here.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Do not get me caught up in any foolishness. I am begging you.
I don't know if I break down things, you know.
What?
I forget all us.
What are you talking about? I am not the kind of girl for drama.
About one woman, you know.
What?
And couple undecided.
What? Wait, I'm a foreigner.
Baby.
I didn't come this far to be in any damn ring.
Them say at 20 to 1, you know.
Oh my God.
And right now, me I put you at second place. So right now, your odds good.
Are you serious right now?
So no worry, man.
Man, please.
I want
Anyway,
to.
why should I worry? You should be the one worried. You don't want a green card?
Baby, Christmas gone, you know. A black book man for man fair fly like a diplomat. You see me?
Alright, but hold on, wait. With all these girls, you know, I didn't get a hotel. You told me not to get a hotel.
Baby, now watch nothing, man. I have a one place at a place named Poverty Lane.
Poverty? What?
Cool, no?
Hold on, wait a minute. Come on, this must be a joke.
Easy now, baby. You think this a blind date where you go fancy places? I want it. I go be like a hideout.
Oh my gosh. I traveled all the way here to Jamaica to stay in a place called Poverty Lane. Alright, so what's your woman's name? At least you can tell me that, right?
Mrs. Miss.
Alright, well, you know what? You're gonna have to tell her that Tana is Anya.
Is a mother girl still, you know? No watch nothing.